Hey, Chillie with Chillie's Cruises here. The Symphony of the Sea from Royal Caribbean is the latest ship to change its itinerary due to Tropical Storm Karen. Royal Caribbean Symphony of the Sea has changed itineraries to avoid the path of Tropical Storm Karen. Guests sailing on board the Symphony of the Seas have been informed of a change in their sailing that will skip scheduled stops in San Juan and Saint Martin and instead visit Cozumel and CocoCay. Harmony of the Seas had already changed their itinerary yesterday. Instead of visiting St. Thomas, San Juan, the ship will head to Cozumel and Costa Maya. Now, the Tropical Storm Karen, as of just a few minutes ago, is now over Puerto Rico. It was 35 miles south at 5 p.m., according to the latest advisory from National Hurricane Center. With winds of about 45 miles an hour, it's moving north over Puerto Rico, as well as both the U.S. and British Virgin Islands, which are under tropical storm warnings, expecting up to 6 inches of rain, with some spots at risk of up to 10 inches expected to fall on either Puerto Rico or the Virgin Islands. Karen's long-range forecast is what really becomes interesting. It's supposed to continue north for a while and then make a direct left-hand turn, which could put it right back aimed at the Bahamas and the United States. Now, who knows if that's going to happen? There's still a lot of things that have to happen before now and then. But as a result, Royal Caribbean now has had 2 ships to change their itineraries, basically skedaddling out of the Eastern Caribbean and going to the Western Caribbean. That's it for now. We'll keep you updated as we get information. This is Chillie with Chillie's Cruises. Later, y'all.